Hey everyone, here's a question on factorization. The question is factorize 12xy minus 8x plus 9y minus 6. So factorize means you have to write down the answer in a product form. So product form means like something multiplied by something. Let us take an example here. I'm going to take an example of a number. Suppose 15 we have. 15 can be written as 5 into 3, 15, right? So and 5 and 3 are the factors of 15 here. So you can see here I have written number multiplied by number. Like some number into number. Here also factorize means at the end you should get something multiplied by something. So how to factorize this? So we have a four terms here and you might have learned the identities, right? But here we're not going to use the identities because we have a four terms here and there's a no square. Like usually in identities we have a square, right? A square, B square, like that. So we don't have any square. So we have to just normally take the common factor and factorize it. Now you can see that we have a four terms. So you have to take a common factors, right? So I'm going to take a two terms and two terms. From that I'm going to take the common factor. So let me ask the question here. So 12xy minus 8x plus 9y minus 6. Now I'm going to pair up. I'm going to first take the two numbers like 12xy minus 8x. I'm going to take a common factor from this two. And from 9y minus 6, I'm going to take a common from this two. Right? So if you see here, I'm going to split 12 and 8. If you know how to take the common factors, you can do it directly. To explain you, I'm going to split here 12. Like 12 and 8 both go in 4 table, right? Their common multiple is, least common multiple is 4. So they both go in 4 tables. So I'm going to take a 4 into 3. Okay, 4 is the 12. So 4 into 3 xy minus 4 into 2 x. 8 I'm writing as 4 into 2, 12 as 4 into 3 plus now 9 and 6 they both go in 3 table. So I'll going to take 9 as 3 into 3 y minus 3 into 2. So you can split here 4 also further like 2 into 2, but I want to take a 4 common out here. That's why I've written 4 into 3. Now here if you see 4 is present in both, like if you see the first bracket, I have a 4 present in both. And so I'm going to take the 4 outside here. There's a 1 4 which is common and also 1 x is common. It's present in both the terms. So 1 4 and 1 x I'm going to take it outside the bracket. So if I remove 4 and x here, what is left? 3 and y is left. So 3 and y I'm going to write down. Minus here 2 is only 2 is left. So minus 2. Then we have a plus sign here. So put the plus sign. Again, if you see the second bracket, what is common here? If you see 3 is present in both the terms. So 3 I'm going to write down here outside the bracket. Now if I take out 1 3 outside, what is left? 3y is left. So and from other we have only 2 left. So 3y minus 2. Now again if you see in this step, in both the terms, like we have a plus sign in between. If you see in the first term, that is before the plus sign, we have 3y minus 2, and after plus sign also we have 3y minus 2. So 3y minus 2 is common in both here. So I'm going to take 3y minus 2 again common out. So 3y minus 2 will be common here. So when you do a factorization in your second last step, you should get something like this. Again, you can take a common out. So 3y minus 2 is out. So if I remove this, what is left from the first one? Only 4x is left. So 3y minus 2 into 4x. There's a plus sign in between them. So plus, and here only 3 is left. If I remove 3y minus 2, only 3 is left. So plus 3. So you can see here we got the answer as 3y minus 2 into 4x plus 3. Like something into something we have got, right? This means these are the factors here. So that's it. I hope this question is clear. And remember, you may have a plus sign or negative sign here. In this case, it was a plus sign. So that's why we got 4x plus 3. Now, in case you have any other question or doubt, you can drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching.